What if I told you that your thoughts, your beliefs, your emotions are creating your reality right now without you even realizing it? Manifestation is more than just affirmations and creating beautiful vision boards. It's about understanding how you can align your thoughts, your actions, and your emotions and your focus towards the life that you truly want. And the best part is that you're already manifesting every single day without you even realizing it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Seppi, and I help you understand what you truly want in life and teach you how to manifest your dreams through small, simple, and manageable steps. In this video, you will learn what is manifestation, why you're already manifesting even if you don't realize it, the 3 pillars of manifestation, as well as some common mistakes and myths around manifestation that people make and that are holding them back from manifesting what they truly want. Manifestation is bringing your desires into reality. How? By aligning your thoughts, your emotions, and your energy with the life that you want to create. It's about being in energetic alignment to what you truly want to live and experience in your life. And it's not just about wishing, it's not just about the positive thinking, it's about truly rewiring your brain into believing and knowing and taking action towards the life that you want to create. And here's the science behind it. First, we have the Reticular Activating System, which is the filter of our brains. It's how our brain filters information. Every single day, we're bombarded with millions of information, but our brain can only handle a fraction of it, and that's where the RAS comes into play. It's the filter through which we view life, we experience our day-to-day life. Your RAS will determine how your brain chooses what's important, and that filter is based on your thoughts, your beliefs, your focus, your conditioning, your childhood. And you've probably heard the expression, what you focus on expands. So if you learn how to train your RAS, your reticular activating system, the filter of your brain, to focus on what you want to manifest, to focus on the things that you want to create and experience in your life, the easier it will become to manifest it, to bring it into reality. Because your brain will start to see opportunities all around you. It will start to help you channel the energy and embody the energy of the person you need to be to live that dream life. That way you can actually bring it into reality and experience it for real. Everything in the universe is energy, including your thoughts and your emotions. There are some thoughts and emotions that are lower vibration, and there are some that are higher vibration. Low vibration emotions, you can probably guess, are things like fear, self-doubt, frustration, anger. And high vibration thoughts and emotions are things like joy, gratitude, love, curiosity, excitement. And the law of vibration states that like attracts like. So the same vibration will attract the same vibration back to itself. In other words, low vibration thoughts and emotions will attract low vibration energy into your life. The same way, high vibration thoughts and emotions will attract high vibration energy into your life. In other words, you have to align your thoughts and your emotions with the life that you want to create to be in the high vibration that you want to manifest in your life. Your thoughts affect your reality whether you're conscious of it or not. Especially when it comes to your subconscious mind, it is guiding your everyday thoughts, choices, behaviors throughout the day, whether you're conscious of it or not. And if you already believe something to be true, your subconscious mind is going to look for evidence to prove that point. For example, if you grew up with the belief you have to work hard to make money, then you will have a subconscious belief that money is hard to make, and you will find ways to reinforce that belief instead of doing the opposite. Instead of making your mind believe that it's easy to make money and you will always find a way to be able to attract more money and abundance in your life. And what does all of this mean? What does all of this science help us to understand about manifesting your desires? It means that you have the ability to rewire your mind, change your energy and focus, and train your brain to manifest your desires. Your RAS can help you focus and align with more opportunities and bringing them into your life. Your energy and vibration influences what you attract and how you're going to experience your life. Your subconscious beliefs are going to shape how you view and how you experience your reality. This is why manifestation is not just about thinking positive. It's about how you're going to rewire your mind, emotions, and habits to align with what you want, which will then translate into the actions you take, how you show up every day, the habits you practice, and the energy that you're going to embody every single day of your life to manifest your desires. And I'm going to explain you exactly how to do it. So if you learn how to train your RAS, your reticular activating system, the filter of your brain, to focus on what you want to manifest, to focus on the things that you want to create and experience in your life, the easier it will become to manifest it, to bring it into reality. Because your brain will start to see opportunities all around you. It will start to help you channel the energy and embody the energy of the person you need to be to live that dream life. That way you can actually bring it into reality and experience it for real. Everything in the universe is energy, including your thoughts and your emotions. There are some thoughts and emotions that are lower vibration, and there are some that are higher vibration. If you keep thinking things like, I'm poor, then that's exactly how you're going to show up in life. You're only going to focus on the things that are lacking, on the scarcity in your life. Instead, if you start thinking, I'm abundant, then your brain is going to start to focus and pay attention and expand on the abundance that you already have in your life. The abundance of love, connection, time, energy, opportunities, joy that you might already have in your life, which will in turn create more of the same. Law of vibration and law of attraction. In other words, your thoughts create your reality. And whether you believe in manifestation or not, your thoughts are already creating the reality that you are currently living and experiencing. So why not channel that instead into manifesting exactly what you desire? Here are the 3 pillars of manifestation that you can start implementing into your life right now. We have clarity, alignment, and action. First, you have to get clear on exactly what you want, and you have to communicate it to the universe. You have to set out the intention and be clear on what are your desires. What do you truly want? At the same time, getting clear on what you want will also help your subconscious mind redirect its focus and energy into figuring out how to manifest your desires. So the first thing you have to do is to know, what do you truly want? The second pillar of manifestation is alignment, becoming the version of who has the desires that you want. Because manifestation is about embodying the mindset, the energy, and the habits of the version of you that is already living the life that you want. For example, if you want to be confident and joyful, then ultimately you have to start somewhere, and it starts with faking it until you make it. You have to practice the habits that will help you build confidence, feel more joyful in your life, feel lighter, feel happier in your current reality. That way you can start being an energetic match to the life that you desire. The third pillar of manifestation is action. Moving towards your desires. Because like I've said before, manifestation is not just about positive thinking, but it's about being an energetic match to the life that you want to create and experience. Which also means taking aligned action towards that reality. You have to take small, inspired steps towards your goal to start building it up and creating it and bringing it into your reality. For example, if there's a dream job that you want, you can't just sit at home and expect it to just show up. You have to be in energetic alignment to that job. You have to even be qualified to do that job. You have to start building the experience to be able to get that job. There are still steps that you need to take to be able to bring that dream job into your reality. Because manifestation is about embodying the mindset, the energy, and the habits of the version of you that is already living the life that you want. Here are a few common mistakes and myths about manifestation that might be keeping you stuck and not being able to change your life and manifest your dreams. Thinking that manifestation is just positive thinking, positive affirmations, creating vision boards, and waiting for things to happen is not the way to do it. No, you have to take action, as we just saw with the 3 pillars of manifestation. Whether it's about aligning your thoughts, your energy, practicing the habits that are aligned with your manifestation and the version of yourself living in that reality, or even taking inspired action towards your desires, you cannot be idle and wait for things to just fall into your lap. You have to take action and get things going, whether it's being an embodiment with the version of you that has your reality or taking the inspired action. Another big misconception is, if I have doubts, it won't work, which is not true, because a big part of manifestation of this journey is that you will have to continuously be aware of your thoughts to realign your thoughts, your focus, your RAS, your energy towards the reality you want to create. Having doubts are only a part of it. We all have limited beliefs. We all have self-doubt. We all have questions about whether you are capable or not. But you have to learn how to start challenging your beliefs and your conditioning. That way you can start shifting it towards believing and seeing that anything is possible. Again, it's about rewiring your mind into believing that anything is possible. That way your thoughts can be focused on finding the solutions and the path forward to bringing your reality into life. And you have to expand the ability of your mind to be able to connect to opportunities. That way you can attract them more into your reality. Another misconception about manifestation is that it works for others but not for me. I've talked about this before. Your beliefs create your reality. If you believe that you can't do it, that you're not worthy of it, that you're incapable of doing it, guess where your brain is going to go? It's going to focus on the things that you're lacking, the things that you can't do, instead of focusing on what are the opportunities around you? What are your skills? What are your abilities? What are the things that you do have control over, that the things that you can do and take action on right now in your current reality to start working towards your desires and what you truly want? And this is just another aspect of training your mind and your RAS, your mind's filter, into seeing and believing that you can do it too. And trust me, I know it can be hard when you have a lot of self-doubt, imposter syndrome, and you've been conditioned to believe that everything is hard. But you have to start somewhere, and you have to start by paying attention to those thoughts. That way you can start challenging them and switching them over into something that is a lot more empowering and inspiring to move towards your manifestations. Manifestation is a framework, a system, a way that you can just become a lot more intentional with how you achieve your goals and bring your desires into your life. And it's not about the goal itself, but really it's about the person you're becoming as you're going on the journey to manifest your desires. Because you have to rewire your mind, your thoughts, your beliefs, and open your mind to new possibilities and opportunities. That way you can be an energetic match to your desires. It's about the journey and not just the destination. Ultimately, manifestation is about becoming a better version of yourself that is living the reality that you want. That way you can feel happier and more fulfilled. You don't have to believe in magic to make manifestation work. You just need to understand how your mind and your energy influence your reality. What's one thing you love to manifest in your life? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I'm going to break down the 3 pillars of manifestation. That way you can learn more about manifestation and how you can implement it in your life. And then in the video after that, I will teach you 12 manifestation techniques and how you can practice them in your life. Make sure you're subscribed, that way you don't miss all my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.